let's start. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
just- okay, let me share the screen first of all. Okay, so where we are actually, we are in the this project structure.
1 second.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, now continue. Sorry.
Okay, this is the project structure actually, and inside it is the
Yes.
its presence. There is the back end actually, and here we have installed node modules. This is the basic Node.js live dependency and libraries in the node modules. After that, inside that SRC, we have DB. Inside the DB, we have con.js one file. Inside the con.js, we have the connectivity code. Inside the connectivity code, const mongoose equals to require mongoose. Then MongoDB equals to MongoDB slash localhost 27017 PCS management. This is our database name. This is the database name and this is the localhost 27017. The by default program name, and after that, mongoose.connect MongoDB. Use create index, and these four things we need to add for smooth execution of the backend for proper connection. Smooth execution and proper connection on the backend with the database. Because these are all deprecated. We'll actually use create index, use new URL parser, then use unify topology and use find and modify points. That is the thing. And after that, consider log connection successful. If the connection is successful, then otherwise connection. That is whole connectivity code. After that, we have models. Inside that models, we have four things. These are the four models with four files. First, we have the student.js that I have told you that mongoose equal mongoose, and we need to validate the project as well. We have to install the validator. Validator equals to require validator that we need to install for validating the project. After that, student schema equals to new mongoose.schema. So this is the student schema you need to create. Schema means the collection students. We find this. This is the student schema. Inside the there are two student information. Student schema, then name, email, age, subject, and marks. These five things you need to do. Type string required to email, type string required to unique to, and the email ID should be unique because two persons' email ID cannot be seen. That's why email ID should be unique. And after that, this will be age, type string, and required to. And after that, subject, type string, required to, and then marks, type string, required to. And after that, marks. This type string equal to. And this line is module.export. We need to export that student schema. That students we need to export, and that file goes to index.js. We index.js, we have student variable. This student and this student is same. This student and this in index.js, this student is same. Then require /students. This is the model. Means referring this file. This file is referring this file. And also this address referring this address.js. These two models actually these two files. There is a basically we need to export this student schema. After that, we have app.js. Inside the app.js, we have same express and knowledge required slash db connection because we need require the connection. Student and case, we require knowledge. These two knowledge we need to require address.js and student.js. After that, constant address to express. And then constant port number equals to 3002. 3002 is connected with the express. This is the by default port number of the by default port number of the express. 3002. And then app.use function, we are taking the function request and response. Then next, this line number 11 to line number 18, these lines are actually for connecting with the front end to the back. Right now, we don't need this, so we can comment it. From the base.header, we can comment it. Next is app.use express.json because whatever the what is the file type? The file type is in the JSON. That's why we are using the JSON format. App.use express.json. And here constant app express function we have taken is the variable port number. And here app.use function request response and next. And app.use express JSON. Okay, we have the same thing, the add student. I told you the add student, you want to add the student. First of all, we have this. So your connection successful and by default port number is 3002. App dot post add student, then child block, constant student first add student dot create. So here we have taken two asynchronous functions, request and response. These two functions, these two asynchronous functions. There are two types of functions, synchronous and asynchronous. We have taken two types of asynchronous function, request and response. Then inside the child block, we are creating the await function. We are creating await function because this loop is this program is executing line after line. First of all, it goes this line. Then if the line is checking this line, if the line is correct, then goes again this line. If this line is correct, then goes this line. And again, if this line is correct, then goes to this line. So one after another, it will check one by one. So that's why we are using the await function. If this line has some error or something, then the program will execute. Then the normal flow of the execution of the program will be stopped. So that's why we are using then await function will be used. That's why you're using the await function. Constant student, first await student dot create, then name, email, age, subject, and marks, and this body request dot body dot name. These are the parameters name, email, age, subject, marks, and this is the body this postman. Let open the postman.
Noboko. So, one second, Divya. Right.
Here we just need to use the add student with the API. Okay. Just copy this. This is the URL or the API, whatever you say. Student. So go to the body, then raw, the JSON format, and just put the data here. Then subject. After that, marks. Suppose marks is 98. So then it's getting a subject marks with the first. Now it's set. Okay, so I need to open this. You can connection successfully. Now this, okay, this is seem to expose this is not need to open this. Then students something. Then student marks. So your connection successfully. It's student. Let's check why it's not working. Simple express. Cost. Okay, postman is gives a problem. That's why the request is not sent in the database. Somehow it has some getting some problem. Let me check it. It is successfully running and all, but still in the postman there is something.
Sir, can you just pause for a second? May I have a look कहाँ पे दिक्कत आ रही है?
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. May I have a look at the code, please, for one sec?
Yes, yes.
So I think that request is not connection is successful, but return में request नहीं आ रहा है शायद से.
Actually, previously actually it is perfectly fine, but today I don't know why. Same code
Okay,
actually.
so
Previously actually it
this
is
is the
fine.
this is the part of the code that's creating the problem. Which part of the code is creating the problem? May I know where error is happening? Is there any error showing?
No, not in error showing connection success bit issue. But till when I send the postman, then send it is sending the request, but nothing is coming. Actually.
हमारी request back नहीं आया. So actually, I think that can you have can I see the code, please?
Yes, yes.
One second. I think I just got something. Mhm.
No, actually, the previous day when I'm running this, actually it is giving fine. But now I don't know, in some file the postman, the request is not coming.
Go to see.
Yes, now it is 25 is coming. Because actually this function actually has no work, that's why I forgot to comment in. Now it is running. Simple express, the API is done and it's 25. And then we are adding the add student, the next one. I have one. Add student first, is subject notes. Then periods. Okay, now I think it has added in the database. Yes. Okay, so insert has done. Similarly, if we add the address, then you can also add the address. Now I have got get if I am running. Get student asynchronous function. Then constant find students. Await student dot find. That is using the find function. Restore status 200 is. If the student has been find successfully, then it giving 200 and otherwise it is giving 400. Okay. We get student. Yes, not 200. Okay. Information is fetching from database and familiar. Response is coming. And that ID will be generated automatically. See the ID here also. Okay, now we need to edit the student. So yes, if any information I need to edit. Data uncommon in this edit portion. App.post edit student asynchronous function request and response. Then constant ID request body and student ID. Body means this is the body actually. This is the body actually. Here we can insert or update in. Update student, add student dot find by ID and update that name request body dot name. Name, email, age, subject and marks. These are the parameters. The new true, whatever the new, suppose I am changing the subject from Java to non or anything, then it will be create the new subject. After that, if successfully create the status is 200, then the student is updated student. This is a variable after inside the catch block for our students. So with updation failed. Should let's let's need the student ID. Give the student ID. It's new email subject. Was changing the subject line. For March 34 and March. Suppose 100. So here each subject and last 3 need will be changed into the update. So MG updated. Since the update version, let's see that it is changing. 25 banner. So it is the student information has been updated. That is the edit student. The same thing, the address with details. If you want to change the address or if you want to post any address with details. If you want to, the both way the address also come and the student information also come. We need to say address with details. Here I am writing increase just for body student ID. You need to write student ID, then student details. Respectively, this ID. Suppose this is the ID. Suppose this is the address is Kolkata. So the Kolkata will come for this respective of this student ID. Student ID, then student details, have a student file dot student ID, then populate the student. The student's collection need to populate. Then it actually is 200, the same thing, student details, and then get populate. If you want to come the address with the student details, both are actually coming in the details. Okay, next come the delete. The last prior application is delete.